In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add outline on image in Figma. Adding an outline to an image in Figma isn't a direct feature for standard raster images, but we can achieve a fantastic result by using a powerful plugin. This method involves converting your image into a vector path through a process called tracing, which then allows us to apply a custom stroke to create that perfect outline. This technique is incredibly useful for giving your images a clean, defined edge that stands out in your designs. To begin, make sure you have your Figma file open and the image you want to outline placed on your canvas. Your first step is to access the Plugins menu. You'll typically find this by clicking on the main Figma menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of your workspace. Once the menu opens, hover over Plugins. From the list that appears, you'll need to locate and click on Image Tracer. If you don't see Image Tracer in your list, it means you haven't installed it yet. Don't worry, it's easy to add. Just click on Find More Plugins and search for Image Tracer, then install it directly into your Figma environment. Once you click on Image Tracer, the plugin interface will launch. This incredible tool works by analyzing the pixels of your image and converting them into a scalable vector shape. This transformation is crucial because vector shapes are what allow us to apply editable strokes and fills. Depending on the complexity and size of your image, the tracing process might take a few moments. Once it's complete, the plugin will generate a new layer on your canvas, which is a vector representation of your image's contours. Now that the Image Tracer plugin has successfully created a vector path, you'll notice a new layer on your canvas. This layer is your image's traced outline. Often, this new vector layer might appear directly on top of your original image, or sometimes it might be slightly offset. For the best visual outcome, we want to ensure your original image is perfectly positioned in relation to this new outline. You might find it helpful to bring your original image to the front so that the outline sits neatly behind or precisely aligns with its edges. To do this, simply select your original image layer in the Layers panel, right-click, and choose Bring to Front or Bring Forward as needed to adjust its stacking order. Then, carefully align the newly created vector outline layer with your original image. You can use your arrow keys for precise, pixel-perfect adjustments to ensure everything lines up beautifully. With your layers aligned, it's time to apply and customize the outline itself. Select the newly created vector layer that resulted from the Image Tracer plugin. On the right-hand side of your Figma interface, in the Properties panel, look for the Stroke section. If a stroke isn't already applied, click the plus icon next to Stroke to add one. You'll immediately see a basic outline appear. Now, you can really make it your own. Change the color of your outline by clicking on the color swatch. Feel free to experiment with different colors that complement your image or your overall design aesthetic. Crucially, adjust the weight of the stroke to control its thickness. A thin stroke offers a subtle, refined edge, while a thicker stroke creates a bolder, more prominent effect. You can also fine-tune the stroke's position relative to the path, choosing between center, inside, or outside, to achieve the exact visual style you're aiming for. For images with intricate details, if the traced path has many points, you can use Figma's Simplify tool to smooth out the outline for a cleaner look. Take your time to play with these settings until you are completely satisfied with your new outlined image.